Do you need a lighting solution for your patio or garden area and you're on a budget? Well, look at these beautiful lights that I purchased at the Dollar Tree for $1.25 each. And I just think that this just takes my patio to another level. Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to stop by the Dollar Tree and get some more lights for my patio. I just like adding inexpensive lights and I just think it looks so pretty, and plus I'm on a budget as well. I was able to pick up 3 different designs from the Dollar Tree and they're all solar, which I love. So this is the first design and I think it's very pretty. You take out that end piece, you reinsert it into the light, and then you just put it into your pot or you put it into the ground, wherever you want to insert it. I love this light because it looks like a little house and the inside lights are like fairy lights, and I think that's super pretty. My last design is this one. I just think that it's also very pretty. I always test the lights in the Dollar Tree so I don't bring any of the items home that are not working. This just saves me time and I really don't like returning anything back to the Dollar Tree. I also bought these seeds, chive, dill, and lavender seeds that I'm going to also try to plant. So it's about a little after 8 and I'm just giving you just a view on what my garden looks like. It's not dark enough for the lights to turn on yet, but I just wanted to show you what I was working with. So this is like the before. And I've been working on my garden patio for a little over a month now. And it's not perfect, but I keep trying different things and buying pots and repotting pots. So it has been a labor of love, but I have enjoyed every minute of it. I really love gardening. So I'll just be quiet a moment and you just can take in the view. I'm going to zoom closer. Can you see the bell pepper? It's growing. Still sitting outside on my garden patio and just looking up to the sky. It was just so peaceful to be out here on my garden. I'm still waiting for it to get darker. So it's getting a little darker and I just wanted to show you that the lights are coming on. And look how beautiful it looks. So relaxing. I'm so glad that I found these lights at the Dollar Tree and that they still had some available. So it's getting darker. Now the reason that I purchased the lights because I felt that I needed a little more to brighten up the area. So it's getting darker and this is the view on my patio. So what do you guys think? I purchased the rug from Five Below. I purchased 2 and they were $5 each. Look how pretty this is. So it's still not dark enough, so I will come back when it gets a little darker. So it's getting a little darker. I really love these solar lights because you don't have to worry about replacing the batteries. And all it needs is some sun. So I'm just showing you what it looks like on my patio. This light needed some more sun and that's why it did not come on. So I am growing like zucchini, squash, okra, tomatoes, pepper, trying to grow a watermelon, cantaloupe, strawberries, blueberries, and I'm going to also plant some carrots, onions. I think that's all I'm going to try to grow. My space is not that large, but look at the lights. Isn't it so pretty? So this is a good idea if you have a small space, or if you're on a budget and you just don't want to spend like $30 to $40 on lights. Go to your Dollar Tree. Hopefully they still have some available. And this is just a great way just to enjoy your space, so you're not always inside, that you can go outside and just, I don't know, just feel at peace, just seeing all the beauty that you've created. So I'm just giving you more review. It's getting darker, and I just really want to show you how pretty it is when it gets a little darker. So here we go. We're just looking at how beautiful the lights look. There's no extra charge to your electric bill because they're solar. And it's such a calming, peaceful space. So what do you think? Would you guys go out and buy some solar lights or start your own garden area? I also got the little bee from the Dollar Tree, and that light was $5. I love the sunflower light. It really projects a lot of light. So I hope you guys have enjoyed my video. I just really wanted to show you how cost effective it is just to look around and go to different places for some lighting solutions for your garden area. So I hope that you will like and subscribe to my channel. And I'll just be quiet. You guys enjoy the music, and I will see you on my next video.